Hey y'all, today I'm gonna be singing Tiffany Evans' Promise Ring. Sometimes a girl needs to know that she appreciated for all the things she does with some sort of talking love, yeah. 'Cause without it, a young girl won't know, I won't know. There ain't been to my surprise. Put away velvet boxing ribbon tie. I'm wondering what's inside. He opened it and then he replied. I said he promised not to hurt you, promised not to lie, promised to be friends when defend you in my eyes, promise you forever. All you gotta do is say that you rock my promise ring. I said yes. Thank you.